Alphabet coloring pages are making lots of money on Etsy. And in this video, I am going to be showing you how easy it is to make coloring pages from scratch in less than 10 minutes. Welcome to day 11 of sharing digital product ideas that you can start making and selling from home. This is a 30-day series, and today I will be showing you exactly how to make alphabet coloring pages. As at the time of making this video, over 20 people have this product in their basket already and they are ready to buy. This is the same for this. People are buying alphabet coloring pages, and you can easily make this from scratch in less than 10 minutes. To be able to create this quickly from scratch in less than 10 minutes, I will be using my AI toolkit. In this AI toolkit, I will be using the alphabet coloring pages prompt pack to generate the coloring pages, and this is going to be very fast. This has been generated using my AI toolkit. I took the prompt, put it in ChatGPT, and it's generated 26 alphabet both in capital and small letters. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful graphics, beautifully done using AI. This is the only way that you can literally generate this in less than 10 minutes. Now that I am satisfied with these images because they are beautiful, I will then convert these images to a PDF file, and that is what I will be packaging and selling as a digital file. If you are going to be selling these as a digital file, you will need to convert this into PDF, download it into your system, and re-upload it into Etsy or whatever platform that you are selling your product on. Beautiful images already generated. Oh, look at this cutie. Beautiful images generated. I am now going to be converting these images, 26 of them, A to Z or A to Z, like some people would say. After downloading the file, the next step is to create our listing photos. This can easily be done using AI or Canva. And I will be showing you what I have done on Canva. This is what I have come up with on Canva. This also did not take time to create. This listing photo was very easy to create using my done for you Etsy listing mockup template. So basically, I picked one of the templates, dropped in the images, modify it, and it is ready to be listed on Etsy as a listing photo. This is what the Etsy mockup template looks like. It's a Canva template where you have multiple mockups for your digital products. So you don't just use this on Etsy, you can also use this on your digital platform. So this is exactly what I did. I picked one of these, modified it, and decided to use it for today product listing on Etsy. I used this one. If you look at this one and this one, you can see that it is similar, right? So this is what I have come up with. Next step is to download it and upload it on Etsy. Now I have my PDF file, which is my digital product. I have my listing photos. The next step is to upload it on Etsy, and I will be showing you how to do that. This is Etsy. This is what I have come up with so far. I have the main listing photo, which I created on Canva. And then I have this image that was generated using ChatGPT, basically a combination of some of the alphabets in one page. Then I have this infographic. This infographic contains basically information of what the customer will be getting. So they are getting this product in two sizes. This is what I advise my students to do. This basically says that they are going to be getting this product in two sizes, US letter size and A4 size. So you want to also create something that will tell the customer what they are getting. That is basically what a photo listing is about. It's supposed to tell your customer at first glance what they are getting. The next is how it works. You want to tell them that this is a digital product and this is how you get your digital product. So basically, add some infographics and more information. You can decide to add videos if you can. Videos is also very easy to create. Let me show you that briefly. You can create videos for your digital product very easily on Canva. For example, Let's say that you have created this image. What you can do is click on the page that you have designed and then select animate. Click on any of the animation option. Select whatever animation you are satisfied with. Download it as an MP4. So when you want to download your photos from Canva, you usually will download it as a PNG file. But when you want to convert it into a video file, what you do is animate it just like I have shown you, and then save or download your video as MP4 file. And you have a video. Easy peasy. Back to Etsy. I have my photo listing. I have my files. This is important. You want to add your file. Remember that I converted my images to a PDF file. All you need to do is click on add file and upload that PDF file into Etsy or whatever digital platform that you're selling. It will always show you what to do. You want to make sure that your title is optimized. What I mean by optimized is this: you want to use words that people use to search for your products. This is not just a coloring book or a coloring page. This is alphabet coloring pages. You want to state that clearly in your title, just like I have done here. And then you add other things to describe your product, just like you can see here: preschool coloring pages, preschool printable activities, because these are the words that people use to search for products like this. Once you've done that, ensure that your description is also optimized. This is important too. This can be done using AI, guys. I just told ChatGPT, write an Etsy optimized title and description for the product, and it came up with all this, including the tags. All I did was copy the tags, paste it, and we're good to go. You want to make sure that everything is optimized, everything is set, and your file is correctly uploaded here. You have enough listing photos that is telling your customer exactly what they are getting, and then you click publish and you're good to go, guys. That is it. We have just created the alphabet coloring pages. These coloring pages can also be converted to a physical coloring book. You can also sell these as a coloring book, a physical book, without you having to print the physical book. If you want to find out more about this, remember to subscribe to this channel, because I will be sharing more valuable information like this, and turn on your notifications so that when I upload a video or come online, you'll be one of the first to know. Remember, this is a 30-day series and today is day 11. So look out for more series where I get to share different easy digital product ideas that you can start creating and selling from home. These products are always trending. These products are always in season, and that is why you should start creating this now. You can grab the Coloring Pages to Profit AI Toolkit in the description. In this toolkit, you get all the information you need to set up your Coloring Pages business, including the prompt bank. This prompt bank contains over 100 prompts, including the prompts that I used to create this product that you have just seen. Click on the link in the description to grab the prompt pack. I am currently running a sale for this toolkit, and after this series, the price will definitely go up. Grab this offer while it lasts. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in day 11 by the grace of God. Bye for now.